हेलो एभ्रिवान नमस्ते। आज चाहिँ हामी सगर्दा फ्यामिली जाँदैछ। यो चाहिँ डे 2 हो बार्सिलोनामा। अन्त आज चाहिँ आम ट्राइङ टु भ्लग अलिकति राम्ररी, किनभने यसैको भ्लग इज अ मेस। कता भ्लग गरेँ कता भ्लग गरिनँ थाहै छैन आफूलाई पनि। अहिले चाहिँ हामी मेट्रो लाइन लिएर जाँदैछ सगर्दा फ्यामिलीले। त्यहाँ पुगेर हामी लन्च पनि खान्छ, किनभने हामीले केही खाएको छैन अहिलेसम्म। सो लेट्स गो। On the way, this is the way to go to the metro. Center is very different. यहाँनिर यस्तो यस्तो खालको बिल्डिङ्सहरू छ। सेन्टरमा चाहिँ एकदमै ओल्ड स्कुल टाइप। यो चाहिँ स्कुल भनेर भन्दै थियो, बट सो नाइस। सो लेट्स गो टेक द मेट्रो। यो चाहिँ मेट्रो जाने बाटो हो। एन्ड नाउ वी निड टु वेट फर सम टाइम, अन्त मेट्रो आउँछ। द वर्ल्ड फेमस Sagrada Familia. This is a huge thing. This is Sagrada Familia, which is yet to be complete. So we just finished our sightseeing in Sagrada Familia, and now we are going to eat our brunch because we are really hungry. And honestly, ekdam ramro cha, thulo cha, it's gigantic, it's marvelous. You can see at my back how big it is, but it's not अब त्यस्तो डरलाग्दो पनि छैन रहेछ दामी भनौँ नै भने। ब्रेकफास्ट गर्नु गएको, नट ब्रेकफास्ट, ब्रन्च, बिकज इट्स अलरेडी 10:30 11 मेबी। So in Barcelona, and everything is so cute. I want them. I have a friend of mine here. I found my friend here. We are out of Miniso and it started raining, but the place looks pretty, huh? I think the rain is needed so that tomorrow the day can be better. Now हामी अब जाँदैछ मोको म्युजियम। अन्त we had to buy this little umbrella किनभने it started raining. And yes, let's go. Away, the buildings are really good.
This is what we are visiting.
This one? Now going up to see the second floor. Seems to be really interesting. We finished our visit here. So we finished our visit here, and now we are going to go eat some food because we are hungry. The museum was amazing, loved it. It's mostly all about modern art, and yes, I like it. Now going to eat. To enter the museum you need a ticket, which we bought for 15 euro something. We paid for 2 people, we paid 31 euro something, around 32 euros. And I suggest you all to buy the tickets online, because here in the museum it was 20.90 euros. So that is like a huge difference. It's a difference of 5 euros at least, and that's a lot. So buy a ticket online, visit the museum, it's really nice. It is so pretty, like really pretty. This is like the center of Barcelona. It's a good city. I like this place. People are cycling over there. So we finally reached this place for our late lunch. We are trying some tapas here. This place is 100 montaditos, and our friend suggested us this place. This place was really nice and the food was really good here. So we are back in the streets after eating good food. And it's starting to rain again. Look at the building. Barcelona is so pretty, like really pretty. It's a mall, I think so. It's a mall. Raining, and we can see the cathedral of Barcelona, like pretty cathedral. I could not vlog because of the rain, but we are here to click some pictures. We are now in the cathedral. अहिले चाहिँ हामी cathedral आएको छ हेर्नु बार्सिलोनाको. It's raining, like really. The weather is not favoring us today. Bro, it's raining and it's not looking so nice. I don't know where are we. We have walked so much for today, so much. I think we are near the beach. In a different place. There is a lot of yachts here. I don't know where are we going. I feel hot. I'm tired. I want to sit and maybe drink a glass of coffee. Raining like crazy. So we are now going to a place where we can get a cheesecake and then go back home. Go back to the hotel, sorry. So अहिले चाहिँ म भर्खरै होटल आएको. I have this habit of saying घर to everything. होटल आएको हामी भर्खर कति 5 मिनट्सहरु भयो होला. I just changed अन्त म एकछिन रेस्ट गर्नको लागि बसेको. अब हामी जान्छ एकछिन रेस्ट गरेर हामी जान्छ डिनर गर्नु. Oh my god, today was a long day. हामीहरुले जतिवटा पनि लिस्टमा हालेको थियो सबै जग्गा गयो हामी जस्ट MNC गएन. तर यति डरलाग्दो थाकेको थियो त्यो जानु पनि. We did not have that energy नै. यति डरलाग्दो थाकेको थियो. But I think we can go there tomorrow किनभने tomorrow we have planned to go to the beach. तर अब let's see the weather. If it's like today there's no use going to the beach. कस्तो डरलाग्दो थाक्यो यार. हामी त्यो एरिया जहाँनिर हामी गएको थियो everywhere we went by walking. Like we just went to which place by bus. The first place we went, Sagrada Familia, we went by bus. After that we went to Moco Museum by bus. After that the Gothic streets, the center, everything we went by walking. And we also came out to the place where we went yesterday for shopping. Even that we by mistakenly went to that road also. And after that we wanted to go to another road. त्यो बाटो जानुको लागि चाहिँ हामी बाटै मिस भयो नि त. Oh my god, we went the whole way walking and we reached near the beach. त्यहाँ पुग्यो त्यो अलिकति हेर्यो त्यहाँको हामी आयो वापस. हामी 99 चीज केक पनि गयो. We tried the famous 99 cheese cake of Barcelona जहाँनिर चाहिँ 99 cents मा you get a cheesecake. And after that I came back to the hotel. अब I'm gonna rest. So yes, see you all later. खाना लिनु गएको किनभने we did not go out to eat. Food for today, dinner, because we did not go out.